name is Kate and welcome to my channel. Yep, I'm still in this bag, but honestly, I haven't carried it. I'm still carrying this. I will do a switching of the bags, and I will switch to a bag I will definitely carry. I don't know what's up with me lately. It's like, since I'm not working anymore, these little crossbody bags are just enough for me. Okay, what I want to talk about today is addiction. Yes, I have a carb addiction. I am so addicted to carbs. It's so bad. Every time I lose weight, which I know you ladies can say, yeah, Kate, I'm with you. I know exactly what you're talking about. I can lose 10, 20 pounds, even 30. Next thing you know, I start getting back on like these cravings. It's like I don't know how to explain it. It just draws you. It's like the carbs just draw you to it. I get these cravings for carbs, and once I do, it's like once I take a little cookie or eat a banana, which just has too much sugar in it for me, or just anything, or oh, you know what, it's the weekend, or it's a party, you're like, you know, like when I went to Maryland with my daughter and stuff like that and everything, it's like I had an excuse. I am a carb addict. I can get off of it for a while, and then it just draws me back in. Well, this is probably about the umpteenth time, which old school means a heck of a lot of times I have gone on a diet. And I always say, I'm going to cut out my carbs or cut down my carbs, or I'm not going to eat that much carbs. Well, you know, I can't eat any carbs. I mean, yeah, carbs that come in vegetables, healthy carbs, that's one thing. Any bread, potatoes, rice, wraps, anything, even fruit that has high carbs, I am going to stop it right now. Actually, I did a week ago. Right after I did my video, I think last week is about the time I started it. I looked at that video and said, oh my God, Kate, there you are going back up in weight. Talking about a yo-yo. You look at EKG. I mean, I don't even have time for the yo-yo. I'm just up and down, up and down, up and down, or some kind of graph, right? It's like, this is ridiculous. So I have been putting it off and putting it off and putting it off, wanting to go on it's like a bad word. It was a bad word to me. I thought it was unhealthy. I thought it wasn't good. But I'm going to go on a keto diet. Yes, a keto diet. Now, a lot of people, I've been watching YouTube videos like crazy. Sorry, ladies, not too much purse videos lately. Just the keto videos. You know, the good, the bad, the ugly. And most of the time you see the people that are not doing good or it's not healthy for you. You're not eating your vegetables. You're just eating like meat, cheese, and other things, whatever, you know. So I decided if I'm going to do this, I'm going to do it right. I'm going to do it the healthy way. So I started it, like I said, about a week ago, and I have lost 8 pounds. And it's just not eating those carbs. So I ordered this online. I'll put a link to it at the bottom. It's got a glare in it. It's kind of like a cheat sheet. This isn't everything that you can have. It's other things too, but it pretty much breaks it down to net carbs, fat, protein, and calories. I don't care about the calories. I don't really care about the calories. I care about the fat, the healthy fat, the good fats, like from avocado oil, real butter, grass-fed cows are the best. Coconut oil, but not those other oils. You know, that's it. I got avocado, coconut oil, and then butter. Good butter. And and apparently my body thrives on it. My A1C has been like 90, maybe 115. I think it's got as high as 130. because I ate kind of late one night. So what I actually now starting to do, mix with this, I've started to stop eating at around 5 o'clock at night. Still drink water or whatever, you know. But stop eating at 5 and not eat to breakfast. I'm going to see if this can accelerate a little bit. But I'm making sure that, yes, I'm getting vegetables, getting my dairy, I'm getting meats, you know. Try to stay with the healthy fats. But I've lost 8 pounds. Of course, a lot of it's probably water weight gain, you know how it is in the beginning. But I feel good. That's the thing. I feel good. My psoriasis, all of a sudden, overnight, even my husband said, it's not that real dark red. It got lighter, 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 and it's pretty much like the white silvery. It's kind of like going away. So, anyway, I'm sticking with this. And I'm going to see, the test for me is going to be through Thanksgiving, through the holidays. Come January, if I'm still on this keto diet, that will tell you that if I can last through the holidays and everything and still be on this keto diet. Now, I'm going to try not to cheat. Even I'm going to have Thanksgiving here. I'm going to make what the kids like, but I'm going to make me stuff also. Like I can have, of course, the turkey. That's all protein. I'm going to make some other things on the side with veggies and everything, stuff I can eat. And I'm going to try to do it. So this is the start of my keto diet. So I'm going to bring you ladies an update probably weekly. Probably. It could be every 2 weeks. If I don't really have much of a change, I'm not going to, you know, I probably won't have a video on it. Or I might have a video on it saying, this week I did my keto diet and no change. But I'm feeling more, I have more energy. I'm feeling good. Everything is just, you know, my blood sugar is good. Everything is just doing well. That's all I can say. So I'm really excited about this. So this is my new journey, and I'll still do switch with other bags, which I'll probably be, that's going to be coming up soon, since I'm not carrying it. I need to switch it to something I'm going to carry. So that's how it stands. And so if you ladies want to see my journey on keto, like I said, it's a little magnet I got off of Amazon. They got pamphlets, they got booklets, they got books, they got tapes, they got... Everybody talks about keto. But everybody kind of does it a little bit different, somewhat. I mean, it's what works for you. And I've always been a meat and potatoes girl. I'm sorry. But even though I cut the potatoes out, and I just have some cauliflower, and cauliflower is on here. You know, so it says chopped net carbs for a cup is only 2.6. And I can have cheese on my cauliflower. So if you're a meat and potatoes person, you could probably do this. If you have to have a lot of carbs, like, you know, pastas and stuff like that, everything, a lot of things to do with flour, it's going to be really difficult. Or like a vegetarian, which a vegetarian I hear can do this too by other forms of protein, you know, but I love meat. I'm a meat eater. And I started cutting it out and cutting out all those fats. And the only thing it did by cutting out fat was making me fat. If I ate everything it said good for you, like even look at these TV dinners, the Weight Watchers, this, that, and the other, they always had some carbs in it. It's like, I can't put bread in my mouth. I can't even get it near my mouth. So I'm going to try. I say the word try because I know I have failed. I have tried and failed many, many times. But I am going to try to do this diet, modify it to what I like. Like I said, I can't eat pork because of my religion, so I won't have pork on here. But I could have chicken, I could have beef, I could have lamb, I could have whatever, turkey for Thanksgiving. And you could have veggies, and you could have dairy, and you could have condiments, like the condiments. Like I said, the olive oil, There's coconut oil in here. There's ghee. There's even lard. Soy sauce and tomato sauce. I don't know if with the glare if you can see it. So, but yet on this sad diet, which is a standard American diet, people are getting all kinds of diseases. So I decided to go back to what my grandmother used to eat. And yeah, they did have breads every once in a while, but she was pretty much a high-fat diet. Good fats. Well, I can't eat lard because it's pork, but good fats, not bad fats. None of that hydrogenated oils, none of that canola oil, sunflower oil, all those, there's probably a whole list of them. None of those. And vegetable oil is the worst. There's nothing vegetable in it. So anyway, I'm starting this journey, and if you guys want to be along with it and see, I'm hoping you guys will, this will be something you'll want to look at, something you'll want to watch, that I'm excited. I'm very excited about. This is the first diet that actually seems to go along with my nature. I started cutting out meats before. I started cutting this out. I can't eat this. Or I can't, too much butter you can't have. It's bad for you. Get low-fat milk. Low-fat this, low-fat yogurt. What? If this works, this is the Kate diet. Eating everything I like. Just, I have to get off those carbs. And they are addictive. They are addicting. And you guys know it. I am addicted to carbs. I'm a carb addict. The withdrawal symptoms are going to be crazy. The first week I did this, I think after the third day, well, I just did it, started a week ago, but after the third day, I got what they call the keto flu. I felt so tired. I was so exhausted. I felt like I was coming down with something. Then I got online and they said you're probably low in electrolytes. So what I started doing was taking a bottle of water, filtered water, not regular bottled water, but filtered through my Alexa Pro filter. And I put a little bit of vinegar with the mother, the apple cider vinegar. And I put about a quarter teaspoon of Himalayan salt. And I started to drink that when I was feeling a little bad. And I put the electrolytes back in because for this first week I did it, I couldn't even go exercise. I felt so tired. I think that's what they call the keto flu. But if you take care of yourself and get those electrolytes in there, and you should be fine. You should be fine. It's going to be a little bit trying in the beginning because you're changing something. Your body is like, where's the carbs? You know, we burn sugar here. We don't burn fat. We burn sugar. So it's my body's waiting for the glucose, you know, the sugar. Where's the sugar so we can burn some sugar? You want some energy? Give me some sugar. And I'm like, no. You can burn fat as well as you can burn sugar. So I'm getting my body off the sugar and onto fat burning. So we'll see what happens. This is my new journey. So I hope you all enjoy the video. I'll give you an update next week on how I'm doing, but as of today, I have lost 8 pounds. Like I said, a lot of it just because I was very overweight, and it could be some water weight gain. But 8 pounds on the scale looks great to me. All right, I'll talk to you all later. You all have a great week. Love you all. Bye for now.